In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar view in ClickUp, perfect for beginners who are just getting started. First, head over to the ClickUp website. It's the go-to app for managing all aspects of work, from project management to time tracking. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, look for the option to log in. Go ahead and click on it. If you happen to have set up a ClickUp account via Google, you're in luck. You can easily sign in by selecting the option to sign in through Google. This link will take you to a familiar Google login page. Next, you'll need to select your Google account. It's a straightforward process, just choose the account you used to register with ClickUp. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your ClickUp dashboard. Here you can see all the various areas of your workspace. Now focus on selecting the list you want to work with. Your list is essentially a collection of tasks and projects within ClickUp. Once you've chosen the list you're interested in, it's time to navigate to the calendar view. ClickUp's calendar view is an excellent tool for visualizing your tasks and deadlines. It provides an easy to use layout that resembles a traditional calendar, allowing you to see everything that's due or upcoming at a glance. To do this, look for the calendar option and click on it. This will switch your view, giving you a detailed perspective of your schedule within the app. As you explore this view, you'll notice how efficiently it organizes tasks by date. A few tips to maximize your experience: you can drag and drop tasks to reschedule them quickly. This feature is particularly useful if you need to make adjustments on the fly. You can also click on each task to open up a more detailed view where you can add notes or edit information as required. For new tasks, simply click on any empty date and you'll be prompted to create and customize tasks directly from the calendar view. This easiness and flexibility let you keep on top of everything without feeling overwhelmed. By following these steps, you'll not only streamline your workflow but also become more aware of what to expect each day, week or month, leading to enhanced productivity. This beginner's guide on using ClickUp's calendar can help you visualize timelines, organize tasks and meet deadlines, making it an indispensable part of your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this helps you get the most out of your ClickUp experience.